Home Remedies presents
2-ingredient spray that will make your skin milky white and spotless in 7 days. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you a very simple remedy to achieve glowing spotless skin. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. So guys, you can actually have a glowing spotless skin complexion, and it means no acne, pimple, scars on your face with a radiant glowing skin tone. That too we will get only with 2 very simple ingredients readily available at home. Here is the recipe for the facial spray. To prepare this facial spray, you will need a spray bottle, coconut water, rose water. Preparation: according to the size of your spray bottle, take equal amounts of the ingredients and mix it. Your facial spray is ready to use. You can store this facial spray in the refrigerator up to 1 month. How to use: daytime. Use this facial spray anytime during the day. I use it 2 times in a day. Nighttime. Spray it all over your clean face before going to bed and let it act on your skin all night. In just few days, you can see how your skin is changing in an unexpected way. About the ingredients: coconut water is very helpful to remove all scars and spots from your face. It also acts as a natural moisturizer. Rose water controls excess oil in your skin. Rose water helps in skin tightening and balances skin pH level. Rose water also cleanses your skin pores very well. When coconut water is combined with rose water, this combination works great for lightening skin complexion. This facial spray is suitable for all skin types. So, what you are waiting for? Prepare it now and share your results in the comments.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.